Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in online marketing we will discuss about video advertising. What is video advertising, the different types of video advertising, and what are the immense benefits that you can derive out of video advertising. What is video advertising in the first place? Advertising refers to advertising a product, company or a brand within a streaming video. It is possible you can advertise a product or a service within a streaming video. The ads are integrated in a video and they show up when a video is streamed. The ads are integrated within a video, sometimes before the video is played or during the video is played, the ads can be integrated. They are usually banner images. They actually appear in shape of banners. Why video advertising in the first place? Over 800 YouTube creators have more than 1 million subscribers. They have more than 1 million subscribers. Over 800 YouTube creators. 6 out of 10 YouTube subscribers said they have a view of brand, a company that has been influenced by the creator. 6 out of 10 YouTube subscribers say they are influenced by a product displayed by a creator. It is estimated that mobile video will account for 75% of the mobile data traffic by 2020. 75% of the mobile video will account in the traffic by 2020. 100 million hours of video watched on Facebook every single day. 100 million hours of video is watched every single day on Facebook. Video content on Instagram has increased by more than 40%. Huge jump from the previous year. 40% increase. Video ads have an average click-through rate of 1.84%, higher than any other digital format. Because the videos are visual, they create an impact, they engage with the moving images with the end users, and they play a significant role. And that is precisely the reason these numbers suggest and show that video advertising is growing at a very rapid pace. The types of ads that actually you see on the video that can be placed on the videos when the videos are played. The first part is called the in-streaming ads. When you actually go to YouTube or some other video sites, when you want to click a video, you want to play that video, before the video is placed, you see an ad appearing on the streaming. And this ad actually plays the video, and after a few seconds, it shows the message that skip this ad. And if you skip this ad, then actual video that you want to see are displayed. These are basically called as in-streaming ads. The ads are placed before the actual video is placed. Then we have got the in-video ads that overlay in video ads. If you see this information here, you are watching a video on any particular website, and during the video is played, you see an ad appearing in the bottom of that video. This is basically called as overlay ad, and it looks like a small banner within the ad. The video is playing, but you will also see an ad. You can close the ad whenever you want. This is called as inlay ads. Then you have got the display ads. These display ads are displayed here, they beside actually the streaming video, and this ad actually displays here, and below you will see the other videos. This is called as display ad. And you have the in display ad, you have a bigger size ad. This ad actually appears in the same place more or less like this, but this is in bigger size and shape, and the video is playing here, but the ad is displayed here. And these are the various types of video ads that you can think of implementing to increase the visibility of your brand or drive conversions. Then the immense benefit that you can think of using and implementing for your video advertising. Visuals create impact, very important point. They create a huge impact. Then far wider reach, it reaches far and wide, wherever you want to add, wherever you want to display the ad. Users share video. This is an important key element actually that is driving traffic as far as video advertising is concerned. When you actually see a particular ad, there is every possibility that if you like that, you share the ad and the ads are displayed. Mobility penetration is a huge impact that has dramatically changed video advertising. The more and more people are actually engaging with different websites and videos on their mobile phones and smartphones, and this is precisely the reason why the numbers are growing hugely as far as video advertising is concerned. Video entertains, educates and inspires. You provide a lot of information. There are educative videos, there are funny videos, there are comedy videos, there are educative videos, and depending upon the video, when users see, they actually see the ads also, and that is actually drives conversion. Video has more potential to go viral. Extremely important part. There are a lot of things that are going viral, and viral marketing is creating an impact in growing far and wide places, in disseminating high quality information, and videos in particular are going viral. If a video goes viral, then actually the ad also increases visibility. Videos more searchable in Google. Videos are more searchable in Google, and videos are actually what people are looking at. Confidence in users. When you see a video and the ads are displayed before the video, and you get a lot of confidence when you actually see the product and the product features that are being explained, the product benefits that are being explained. You get a lot of confidence in terms of the user experience, so that the users can think of actually coming to your website and a landing page to drive more conversions. That is how conversions are happening, and these are some of the immense benefits that you can think of implementing as far as your video advertising is concerned. In this session, what we have seen is, we have seen what is video advertising, why video advertising types, and the benefits of video advertising. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.